Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, in case maybe you're new to charts, each one of these candlesticks here represents 4 hours worth of time rather than 1 day. 1 day is what you would normally see, but again, in this situation, each one represents 4 hours. So this right here may look like the past couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time frames. And I like to do this time point of view. I think it does a great job of telling the story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, maybe Sunday afternoon, sure, the chart's going to look different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big dynamic that's happened this past week and still remains the big question going forward is in regards to this level down here at 9,500. So let's just say, for example, you're watching this video Sunday afternoon. Question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 9,500, again, represented by that green line? As long as you're answering the question that the price is above 9,500, then the weekend is perfectly fine. Why is that level important? Well, I'm not saying this will actually be the case, but again, let's say Sunday afternoon, you're watching this and the price is somewhere down around here. Stop and think about what that is still telling you from the big picture point of view as in regard to the chart. That would still tell you that there's a set of lows there. Then you'd have those lows right there. You'd have these lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the grand scheme of it all, you would still very, very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, I'm not saying the price is going down to 9,500. My point is that there's plenty of wiggle room for there to be a pullback and still not even violate that level right there. So really, like I say, as long as you're answering the question that the value of Bitcoin is up over 9,500, then as far as I'm concerned, it's a perfectly healthy consolidation. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 9,500, the next key question you want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,200? So 9,500 and then 9,200 are the two key levels of support going into play. If somehow you're answering the question that the price is below 9,200, at that point, I'm not saying the chart is destroyed, but yeah, that would definitely kind of be, is something wrong? That would be much more of a red flag than if the price were to be down below 9,500. But as of right now, it's looking like things are holding up very nicely. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, this is where just gut instincts, common sense comes into play. Meaning key level of resistance going forward right now is right up there around the 9,800 mark, give or take a little bit. So from that point of view, it's just a question of, if you're answering the question that the price is above 9,500, well, then you just ask yourself, well, how far above is it? Meaning if the price is at 9,900, don't get me wrong, that's good. That's definitely meaning that this level of resistance has been broken. But if the price is up there at 10,500, that's just that much different of a situation and that much more of a bullish move. So right up there, like I said, around 9,800, the further up above 9,800 the price may be, the more bullish the situation and the weekend is. So use these levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant all weekend long. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.